Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and today we are talking about travel essentials from Amazon. It is the summertime. Memorial Day is the official kickoff to summer, and I'm gonna guess out there that a lot of you are gonna be doing some traveling, or I hope and manifest for you all that you'll be doing some traveling this summer. In today's video, I have found quite a few affordable Amazon travel essentials, so I will be giving my first impressions. I'm trying not to open anything so I can just see it in person. Is it what I thought it was gonna be? Is it even better? Is it not so great? Hopefully we found some really great stuff. If not, I will be returning it. So let's get into it. As always, I'll have everything linked down below. If you see something you like, you can click right on it in the description box and it'll take you to the same page. First up, I'm gonna try out something that I really am curious about. Toiletry travel bag. It looked really cool and it looks like it hold a lot of stuff, and I personally have a lot of skincare products, as we all know, so I wanna make sure that I can bring all my essentials with me when I'm traveling. This is the Smart Toiletry Bag travel bag with hanging hook, water resistant makeup cosmetic bag travel organizer for accessories, shampoo, full-size containers, and toiletries. So here is a bit of an hold please as we move towards the natural light. My life is a comedy. Okay, let's try this again. So here's an up close of the Smart Toiletry Bag. I love the stripes because it kind of gives a nautical vibe. Got a front pouch right here. Here is in all its glory. I'm holding it back here so you can see the full thing. What really stood out to me was how many slots there were. I feel like I said, I have a lot of products. What's nice about this is that the hook doesn't just dangle, but you can actually store it away when you don't need it sticking out. So this is it at the top, and the first section is just a simple zipper pouch right here. Little things, bobby pins, hair ties, you know, cotton swabs, cotton balls, simple flat stuff I would put up here. The second section is much bigger, and it also has these little straps, so if you wanted to hold something down, or maybe your makeup brushes or one of your bottles, you actually could. So I do like that there's 2 rows of that. Then the next section is actually interesting. It's a double zip. It's got a zip at the top and a zip at the bottom, so you can add stuff at whatever angle, and then it also still has the option for the straps as well, which is nice. And then down here at the bottom we have a repeat of the top, so another section that's kind of thinner, still has the zipper that you can hold some smaller items in as well. And when you're closing it up, you just kind of flap over the top, and then it would close kind of like a lunchbox basically, and then this is what it looks like, and it zips all the way around. So first impressions, I'm actually really liking this. It looks like the quality of what I saw on the website. It looks like it can hold a lot of things. I like how much space it does look like it can expand to. That's really helpful. I got it for $19.99, and I believe it is currently on sale right now for $19.54, so a couple pennies off. That's a deal. I'll do a test run of filling this up, and maybe y'all can see how it looks when it's expanded. So for example, this is it filled up, and there's still actually a lot more space. I know that I'm definitely gonna have more stuff than this, but I was just kind of curious. My arm is definitely like weak right now because this is heavy, but I'm gonna close it up, hopefully. Okay, let's see, because this is pretty, I might have done too much, but let's see. Will it actually work? Whoa, oh my gosh, it might actually work, and this is pretty stuffed. Wow, okay. I can't believe that worked. So this is it, like stuffed up. I don't recommend it. It's probably just because I have all those big bottles in one section, but I mean, it actually does work. That's impressive. I really did not think that that was going to work. I was about to be like, just kidding, don't do it. But this is how much it truly expands then if you want to see. It's really great. I love this even more now. Now the next thing that has been in my Amazon favorites for a really long time is a travel LED mirror. This is the LED foldable travel makeup mirror, 5 by 7 inches, 3 colors, light modes, USB rechargeable touchscreen, portable tabletop mirror for cosmetic / office or office. There were a ton of colors. There's white, black, green, pink, rose gold, and violet. And you can also get a bunch of different sizes. I went with 5 by 7 because again, I wanted to make sure that it could still be a little bit small. The thing I'm most interested in and how I feel like this was different than the other ones, it has a little magnifying glass section, which is 10 times zoom. I feel like that's really helpful for like eye makeup, putting in your contacts, anything you need to like zoom in on, pop a zit, etc. So that actually stood out to me more so and why I chose that one versus the other ones. I got the one in white and I got it for $18.99. Here it is right here. Like that there's already a mirror cleaner. We love it. Here is the USB cord for charging. I'm gonna open up the magnifier so you can see up close. It looks like it has suction on the back, so that's probably how it stays connected. Here's what it looks like on the front. There's my camera. There's my zit. I see it very clearly. This is a really cute pouch, by the way. And here's what it looks like. So again, it's 5 by 7. On the back here, you can see this is where you're gonna charge it. Okay. Here we go. So this basically flips around to the back so it'd be able to stand up, but it looks really, really great. Whoa. I didn't think it was charged up, but it clearly is. That is very bright, as you can see. There's none, there's white, there's gold, and then there's probably like a mixture of the two, and then you turn it off. There we go. There we go. Now it's on how I want it on. And now my fingerprints are on the mirror, but you get the idea. It sits very easily, and then you can either, I mean, if you want to be all the way back here, this is the max. Okay, so I read the manual real quick, and there is a way to adjust the brightness, so I'm gonna test it out right now. I can't leave y'all hanging. I feel like it is going down. Am I crazy? And then if you keep it on and kind of like wind it down, there we go. All right, so it adjusts. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's a little finicky, so just keep that in mind. Now, the next thing I personally think is a must-have if you are a travel lover or you're someone that's gonna be going a lot of places this summer and you wanna keep track of all your memories. These are my Sweet Escape travel journals. If you saw my recent video, I designed these myself. They are sold on Amazon. You have enough space to document 50 trips. And also in the back, you can have notes and photos as well. You can log the sites you want to see, the best places for a photo op, your favorite cafes. Of course, since this is a budget lifestyle channel, I've got a little budget overview at the bottom for all your expenses. These come in paperback and hardcover. I like to keep things affordable, so they're currently $10 for the paperback and $15 for the hardcover. Also comes in black as well, so I personally think this is definitely a great companion or a great gift for someone who's going to be traveling this summer. Since we're figuring out dimensions, I'm gonna put this book inside of here so you can see. So this book, for reference, is 6 by 9 and it does fit inside of here. So if you by chance don't have toiletries that you're gonna be carrying, you can put your book in here and it won't get wet or ruined or anything like that inside your suitcase. Just saying. Okay, we love an unexpected cliffhanger. The rest of the products that I wanted to be testing out for y'all did not arrive yet. So I'm gonna be doing a part 2 of travel essentials coming up next week. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like any of the products that you saw, hit the links down below. In the meantime, let's have a conversation down below. What do you think of the products that I'm sharing today? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.